I did make every effort to include the latest scientific studies. Please note though that research is constantly changing and one clinical trial cannot always cover diverse bodies and communities.
Individual responses to foods, herbs, supplements, and treatments may vary based on a variety of factors, including genetics, environment, diet, and other lifestyle factors.
Even solid clinical trials and studies tend to have an agenda or underlying bias, and despite the best intentions and efforts of researchers, the scope and purpose of scientific research will always be somewhat limited by factors such as funding, ethics, and logistical constraints. Relying on a single expert or source can be risky, as errors and biases can occur. It's best to verify information from multiple sources before accepting it at face value. Engage in due diligence and critical thinking to ensure that you are making informed decisions. If you wish to deep dive into the topic, you can check on your references posted in the description box below.
As men age, their testosterone levels tend to decrease. This decline in testosterone can have various effects on the body. Some common changes associated with lower testosterone levels include a decrease in testicular size, reduced libido or sex drive, lower bone density, loss of muscle mass, increased fat production, and a potential decrease in the production of red blood cells, which can lead to anemia. These changes are part of the natural aging process and can vary in severity from person to person. According to an exploratory study published in 2019, most common reasons men gave for starting prescription testosterone therapy were low testosterone levels, general well-being, increased energy, improved libido, and enhanced social energy. Older men more frequently cited libido as a motivation compared to younger men. The participants reported that testosterone therapy primarily improved their energy levels, libido, and muscle strength. DHEA, dehydroepiandrosterone, is a hormone that is naturally produced by the adrenal glands in the body. It serves as a building block for the production of testosterone and other sex hormones. This is why some people believe that taking DHEA supplements can help increase testosterone levels in men. By providing the body with additional DHEA, it is thought to support the production of testosterone, which may have various benefits. Does DHEA really increase testosterone? What does science say? In a prospective, double-blind, randomized, placebo-controlled study published in 1999, 40 patients from an impotence clinic were divided into two groups. One group received an oral dose of 50 milligrams DHEA, and the other group received a placebo daily for 6 months. The results showed that DHEA treatment improved erectile function, but there were no significant changes observed in the levels of prostate-specific antigen, prolactin, testosterone, prostate volume, or post-void residual urine volume with DHEA treatment. On the other hand, in a small study published in 2013, researchers looked at the effects of taking DHEA supplements in middle-aged men who were not physically active. They performed high-intensity interval training exercises and measured their testosterone levels. The results showed that middle-aged men had lower levels of free testosterone compared to younger men. However, when middle-aged men took DHEA supplements, their free testosterone levels increased and stayed higher even after intense exercise. This suggests that DHEA supplementation may help middle-aged men maintain their testosterone levels during intense workouts, which could be beneficial for their fitness and adaptation to high-intensity interval training exercises.
By the way, before I continue, if you're new here, I'm Jera from the Philippines. Welcome to my channel where I share my knowledge and discoveries about everything related to anti-aging, natural health remedies, dogs and cats, and personal development gained from reading research articles, scientific journals, and books written by doctors and experts. If you also have a gluttonous appetite for new knowledge, please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload new content. Also, you might want to check out my mini ebook, 40 Wrinkle Fighters Other Than Retinol, backed by scientific studies. Just click the link in the description box below for more details.
Moving on, in a systematic review and meta-analysis of randomized controlled trials, which included 42 publications with a total of 55 study arms, published in 2020, it showed that, overall, DHEA supplementation significantly increased testosterone levels. Subgroup analyses further revealed that DHEA had a greater effect on testosterone levels in females compared to males. Higher DHEA dosages and shorter intervention durations also led to greater increases in testosterone levels. Moreover, healthy participants experienced more significant testosterone level increases compared to postmenopausal women, pregnant women, non-healthy participants, and androgen-deficient patients. Additionally, participants below 60 years old exhibited greater increases in testosterone levels compared to those above 60 years old. In conclusion, DHEA supplementation was found to be effective in increasing testosterone levels, although the magnitude of the effect varied across different subgroups. The findings suggest that further research is needed, particularly in the context of pregnant women and the potential risk of miscarriage associated with DHEA supplementation. It's important to be cautious when taking DHEA supplements. It's best to consult with a knowledgeable healthcare provider before using them, as they should be taken under supervision and hormone levels should be regularly checked. There are some concerns about the potential risks of DHEA supplements for certain individuals. People with conditions like depression, bipolar disorder, diabetes, heart disease, and liver disease, as well as those with or at risk for hormone-sensitive conditions like prostate cancer, should be especially cautious. DHEA may also interact with certain medications, so it's important to discuss with a healthcare provider if you're taking any medications. In general, small doses of around 50 milligrams per day are usually safe. However, taking excessive doses of DHEA can lead to side effects such as oily skin, acne, fatigue, insomnia, and in women, the growth of male pattern body or facial hair. In more severe cases, it can cause mania, heart palpitations, high blood pressure, and a decrease in good cholesterol levels. Individuals diagnosed with liver disease should avoid using DHEA altogether. If your trusted doctor recommends DHEA, you can find high-quality DHEA supplements on iHerb.com. You can save some money by using the code APT0317 when you check out. The cool thing is, this special discount code doesn't have an expiration date, so you can use it whenever you shop on iHerb.com. Just remember, what works for some people may not necessarily work for everyone. If you already tried it all and followed many doctors and health gurus, but nothing worked, you may find the answer by doing some digging into your genes. If you want to get to the root cause of some of your health issues, the first step is to find your problem genes. Taking personalized supplements based on your DNA may also help, and Self-Decode can help you with that. Self-Decode provides personalized health recommendations based on a combination of your DNA, labs, and environmental factors. There are just too many diets, supplements, and health hacks out there to waste your time and money on stuff that probably isn't going to work for you. So if you want to experiment in the most efficient and effective way, click on the link in the description box below to check out Self-Decode and unlock your own genetic blueprint.
If you've learned something you didn't know before watching this presentation and you appreciate the time I invested in researching, writing, and creating this presentation, please give this video a like. If you're interested in looking and feeling your best and exploring natural solutions, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching!